In this video, we'll be going through the fourth and final principle of keyword research: how to effectively organize information architecture and site structure for SEO. If you missed steps 1, 2, or 3, you can find them in the previous videos of this learning unit. To organize your website so it ranks for very specific keywords, you need to group them into similar themes and ensure they're 3 clicks or less from the homepage. This is also known as having a flat site architecture. For example, these items can be found in a supermarket and can be categorized as groceries. Expanding on this, we can further split them into more specific groups like fruits, vegetables, and meat. So on a supermarket website, the homepage can be mapped to rank for keywords like supermarket or buy groceries online. Upon further navigation, or the second click, users can be diverted into the different pages of the respective categories: fruits, vegetables, and meat. So if users were searching for the terms buy groceries online or shop groceries, the best page to direct them to would be the home page or the supermarket page, because it has the widest selection of groceries for them to choose from and it matches the collectiveness of the search. But what if users search for buy red apples online instead? The best page to direct users to would be a page displaying product information all about apples, as the search itself is already very exact and precise. In this case, directing them to a generic page like fruits would lower your rankings, as it would not be as relevant to the search query as compared to a page all about apples. If you want to divert users to other products, you can also show related products on the apples page and link to other pages such as lemons or oranges and so on. As mentioned earlier, the more relevant the page is to your target keywords, the easier it is to rank. Now, what if you found out that users also search for Fuji apples? To match this precise search, creating a new page titled Fuji apples and linking it from the apples page would make it the best result. Apples then becomes a category page which can link to from the Fuji apples, green apples, and other varieties of apples. So, in summary, organizing the website content into different relevant and specific pages will help users find specific items they're looking for quicker and with ease. This way of structuring your website will also increase your overall website rankings. Now, let's take a look at the flat site architecture for this camera store. You can buy cameras, check out tips for photography, read camera reviews, and so on here. Which page do you think will rank best for the search term buy cameras online? For this search term, camera store will be the best page to target for SEO rankings. Since buy cameras online is the search term with no specific brand in mind, you should bring a visitor to a page with a wide selection of different brand of cameras. For an unclear search intent query like Nikon D300S, it could mean the user could be intending to find results for Nikon D300S reviews, or could be looking for a place to buy the camera, or even just looking for an example of photos taken by the Nikon D300S. For this query, we can't really confirm the exact search intent. So for the ambiguous search queries, Google has to guess what the user wants. It will then display various types of links in the search pages, such as blog posts, reviews, sample photos, and other information, and so on. To rank for this search term, it's best to create a new page titled Nikon D300S to divert users to from the Nikon cameras page, and then create more specific information all about the Nikon D300S, which will link out to separate informative pages such as features of the Nikon D300S and comparison pages, for example, Nikon D300S versus Canon EOS 5D, and so on. This way you can cover a broad range of information and rank higher for having additional content associated with this group of targeted keywords. But if you want to rank for keywords Nikon 300S reviews, your best choice would be to create a new page titled Nikon D300S reviews, then create a page and link it from the Nikon reviews page. Prioritizing more specific keywords like Nikon D300S reviews than more broad keywords like Nikon cameras will make it more easier to rank above your competitors in the shorter term. Now, let's take a look at the flat site architecture for an IT training company, Novasoft Academy. At the top of the menu, we have the home page. The next level of pages will be all courses, blog, and contact us. Under all courses, you will have Adobe courses and digital marketing course. All the different Adobe courses will fall under the Adobe courses. SEO course and PPC course will fall under digital marketing courses, and the rest will fall under blog. Let's look at how Novasoft Academy structures their website. When we click on Adobe courses, we then see an overview page of all the Adobe courses. This is the same for digital marketing courses. We see an overview of the various digital marketing courses available. But under the navigation menu for digital marketing courses, you can also click to see SEO courses. There's no need to target the keyword digital marketing courses to rank for all the other specific course keywords. Instead, the specific course pages will be targeted to rank for the specific course-related keywords. For example, if users Googled SEO course, you would want them to visit the SEO course page, not the overall digital marketing courses page. Remember, don't optimize generic pages for specific keywords. Optimize specific pages for specific keywords. One method you can use to visualize the flat site architecture framework is through post-it notes. Write out all your titles on separate post-it notes and then rearrange them to form categories, subcategories, and specific pages. Then consider the pages and products you have and decide if you have to create new pages or have new categories. Just imagine rearranging books on library shelves. Proper organization is very important for good site architecture. In the next video, let's go through a walkthrough of a live website site architecture. I'll see you guys soon.